Hi from Bug Eye Guys, and a 69 MGBGT is our subject today. I love this car. I've always really loved these. I've written about that a bunch. This is a super cool fastback machine, and you know, everything in our world is roadster based pretty much, and then you have this is the GT. As far as I know, that's approachable, accessible, affordable. Carries my bicycle in the back with the seat folded down and a ton of groceries. So it's really nice to have one of these in your stable if you can have a great GT that's reasonably priced. I've really loved this car and it's worked for me. I have a 67 that I've kept. We've just recovered the seats. This is the funny thing about folding these down. It's better to do so with this out of the way. It unsnaps to do that, but we've recovered these to make it nicer. We'll leave this in the upright position, which is locked courtesy of these little twist doohickeys. But anyway, a very nice car. I want to take you for a drive in it, but first let's walk around it a little bit and see. It has new gaskets here. There are a few little imperfections. These are chronically failing on these MGBs of all types, Roadsters and GTs. It does have these nice opening rear windows, which are great. You know, you can pop them out. You get a lot more air that way. And I like it because I have the shade from the hardtop and also more headroom. It's a very comfortable car to use. It's roomier than most of the other cars of the era that we love, most of the other old British cars. And these are, of course, the great chrome bumpers and Lucas headlights and all those cool things. And in particular on this car, it has Overdrive, which is really nice to use. The electric overdrive is actuated from this stalk here for the wipers, and it will operate in third and fourth gear. So that's the nice thing about this. I'm going to set up the camera. We'll go for a drive,